guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. So today I wanted to go ahead and be sharing with y'all some of my current favorites. We are in the month of May. Today's May 1st, guys, so welcome to May. So like I said, I'm just going to be sharing with y'all my current favorites. It's kind of somewhat a wide variety, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first things first, for anyone that's crafty, I have been loving on this. So I've had it for a while. This is actually by Bead Landing. And what it is a bunch of little jewelry things whenever you're making jewelry, or let's say you get a piece in that you bought and part of it breaks, it comes undone. You can just use, like I mainly use these two tools right here, and I'll put it back together. So that's one thing that I do really like is this. I believe I got it at Michael's. So you can always go check out your Michael's or Hobby Lobby as well. So my next thing, I'm pretty sure you've already known, I love this. I've always am sharing this with y'all. It is my Method. This is my Method cleaner that I use on everything. This is the Honeycrisp Apple Scent, and it does say cut grease and grime. And I actually always go to Target and just buy the refillable one, and I refill this. And it refills it about 2.5 times, so 2 full and then 1/2 one. So that way I'm saving more money by just staying with this one, guys. And then moving on, I have recently got into the wax melts thanks to my best friend who got me into it. But this one I have right here, I actually got from HEB when I was grocery shopping, and it's called Beachfront, and it is right here, guys. I hope y'all can see that. And this literally, it smells so good, guys. I love this one. I promise you, I'm giving HEB and Bath & Body Works way too much money, guys. Moving on, this has been a favorite. Oh, let me take the price tag off because I actually didn't buy this one that I have. My best friend had bought it for me where she lives, and she sent it to me. But the Swerve, and this one being the brown sugar, guys, this one is definitely one of our favorites in my household. It does really good. Like yesterday, for example, we made almond peanut butter cookies, and it said 1/4 cup of whatever kind of sweetener you choose. So I went ahead and did the brown sugar, guys, and it came out great. I love them, so I highly recommend. Even if you don't like brown sugar, they do have confectionate sugar, white sugar. I mean, that pretty much is the same sugar. Hello, duh, Amanda. They have Swerve in all different kinds of one, but I like this one, so this is definitely one of my favorites, guys. And then I have to go into my coffee flavorings. So since, of course, I'm doing keto, I do not use regular, like, coffee creamers anymore. I go off of these. So this is by Skinny Syrups, and this one is the Caramel Pecan. And this is actually my second one right here, guys, because I have one already with the pump that I already have up front in my house. And this one I actually got at Burlington. But I can usually find these on Burlington, well, at Burlington and at Ross. Both places usually sell them. So moving on, I do have 3 dogs, as y'all pretty much seen. So this one is one of my favorite treats, especially for my 2 little ones. And these are the Hollywood Stars yogurt flavor for joint health formula dog treats. And I love, they are in this cute little bitty milk carton, guys. And as you see, of course, my dogs already had some. So it's open, and let me show y'all, guys. They're this big. That is not that big, guys, if y'all can see that. It's really small and tender, so even especially for little dogs, I like these because it makes it very easy for them to chew it. So this is one of my favorites for them. This I actually got from the dollar store, and it was one of their dusters because I've been wanting a duster. But of course, I don't want to spend like $8, $9 to buy a duster. So I got this one that already had this on the blue thing right here. And I actually love this. My next thing that I just got in as well is from, of course, Amazon. As you can tell, it says Amazon Basics. And I've been wanting one of these for a while. It actually came in a 2-pack, guys. And I actually used this yesterday whenever we made the peanut butter cookies, or almond butter cookies, since I used almond butter. And these were perfect. Like I said, I actually came with 2 of them. So I loved this. This is, you know, I've been wanting one of these, and I finally got one, guys. So remember how earlier, guys, I said I'm giving Bath & Body Works way too much money? Well, I went and got, of course, my free sample of lotion yesterday, and I got this Moonlight Path, guys. And this just smells amazing. And if you can hear that, I'm sorry. My daughter's cat is scratching at the door because I'm in my office. But I love this one. I'm going to have to go back and buy this in a bigger bottle, guys. But of course, like I said, this did come from Bath & Body Works. And then moving on, I got this Revlon lip gloss recently from Target. Right here, guys. And it is like one of those, y'all can see that. It's one of those like kind of clear, see look. It's kind of clear, but has a little bit of glitter that I like on it to, you know, I'm like blindly doing this since I'm videoing, guys, so I hope it's coming out good. But I love this because even on days that I don't want to wear lipstick, like, you know, today I'm not wearing lipstick, I can throw this on instead of putting on chapstick, and it gives a little shimmer to my lips and makes it look like I at least put some kind of effort in for the day. So this is definitely one of my favorites. My daughter actually uses this all the time as well. I'm probably going to have to buy her own. And then I also got this right here from Amazon, and it is Mrs. Deer Quick Color Removal, guys. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have already seen this. So I just actually got done using it. It has a little foam in here. And what you do is, you know, exactly what it says. It's a quick color removal. So let's say you're doing your eyeshadow and you want to use the same brush, but you need a different color. You just swirl it in here and it comes off. I mean, like, guys, I literally, I'm pretty sure y'all seen all my other pictures on my Instagram. I usually will go to more colorful eyeshadows, the turquoises, blues, oranges, and this has been wonders when it comes to, you know, transitioning between my colors, because I do, of course, have my favorite eyeshadow brushes that I like to use all the time. So this has definitely been a big game changer when it comes to that. And then I'm pretty sure y'all saw, I did recently go get the Tartelette Toasted Eyeshadow Palette. And let me kind of clean this. As you can see, I have been using it, guys, because you can see my palette colors. I've been using them. I'm in love with this mirror, first of all. This mirror is awesome. I love this mirror. But along with it, you know, just these colors are your basic browns, your neutrals that you're going to be needing, you know, no matter what season you're in. It does have some glitters in here, guys. Like, I mean, look at that brown right here, glitter. That is really pretty. But my favorite probably would be, let me show y'all guys. These two that are right here, those are the two I mainly use, which you can tell because those are the ones that you see more the indentation of my brush, me using it. So that is definitely one of my favorites. And then this has been one of my finds that I really wanted to get into makeup more, but I didn't really know what kind of blush to use. So I actually found this Studio Blush from Burlington again, yeah. And it comes with these 6 colors right here, guys. I mainly have just stuck to this one. I haven't really played around with the rest of them yet. But this was only $3.99, and for all these colors, the pigment is really good. I just really like it. You know, I know it looks like, wow, that's not that awesome. But for me, it was a big game changer as well because, like I said, I didn't really know what I was doing when it came to blush. So this has really helped me out in that department, guys. So that was pretty much it. I didn't want to make it very long for you guys. I just wanted to show y'all some of my current favorites that I have going on that I'm really loving. And if y'all want any further details on anything, go ahead and either you can DM me on Instagram or you can go ahead and just leave it down in the comment section down below. And I will gladly get back with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to also go check out my Instagram, guys. Give me a big thumbs up on this video. And if you are brand new here, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you go ahead and stick around to choose to stay with my YouTube family. And know that I appreciate every single one of y'all, guys. And I hope all y'all continue to have a great, blessed day. And I will see y'all soon.